Your Wi-Fi icon shows full bars. Your laptop says you're connected, but when you try to open literally anything, nothing loads. That icon is lying to you, and I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it in the next few minutes. So here's what most people don't understand. Wi-Fi connection and internet connection are two completely different things. When your device shows that Wi-Fi symbol, all it's telling you is, hey, I successfully talked to your router. That's it. That's the whole promise. It doesn't tell you if your router can actually reach the internet. It doesn't tell you if your ISP is having problems. It doesn't tell you if there's something called a DNS failure blocking everything behind the scenes. Think of it like this. You walked into a restaurant. You sat down at a table, but the kitchen is closed and nobody's taking your order. You're technically at the restaurant, but you're not getting served. That's exactly what's happening when Wi-Fi says connected, but nothing works. Now let's fix it. First thing, restart your router the right way. And no, I don't mean just unplugging it for 2 seconds. Here's what actually works. Unplug your modem. That's the box connected to the wall from your internet provider. Then unplug your router if it's a separate device. Now here's the important part. Wait a full 30 seconds. Not 10, not 15, 30. This lets the capacitors inside fully discharge and clears out cache data that's probably causing the problem. Then plug your modem back in first. Wait until all the lights stabilize. Usually takes about a minute. And then plug the router back in. Wait another minute, then test. This alone fixes about 40% of these cases. If it worked, you're done. If not, keep going. Next fix, flush your DNS cache. Your device stores a local copy of website addresses to speed things up. Sometimes this cache gets corrupted and breaks everything. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator. Just search CMD, right-click, run as admin, then type ipconfig/flushdns, hit enter. You'll see successfully flushed. Try your browser again. On Mac, open Terminal and type sudo dsctootle-flushcatch, sudo killer all-chapi mdns responder. Enter your password and you're done. This takes literally 30 seconds and fixes the problem way more often than people expect. Still not working? Your device might be holding on to an old IP address that's no longer valid. On Windows, same command prompt as admin, type ipconfig/release, hit enter. Wait for it to finish, then type ipconfig/renew. This forces your device to request a fresh IP address from your router. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Network, Wi-Fi, Advanced, TCP/IP, then click Renew DHCP lease. On your phone, just toggle Wi-Fi off, wait 10 seconds, toggle it back on. Phones do this automatically. Okay, here's the fix that works when nothing else does. Your internet provider's DNS servers are often slow and sometimes just broken. Switching to a public DNS server can fix stubborn connection issues and make your regular browsing faster. Here's what to do on Windows 11. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, click your connected network, then click Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. Change it from automatic to manual. Turn on IPv4. For preferred DNS, enter 8.8.8.8. For alternate DNS, enter 8.8.4.4. Those are Google's public DNS servers. You can also use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Click Save and test your connection. I've seen this single change fix problems people struggled with for months. Seriously, try this one, alright? Quick recap of the fix order. 1. Proper router restart with that 30-second wait. 2. Flush your DNS cache. 3. Release and renew your IP address. 4. Switch to Google or Cloudflare DNS. If you're still stuck after all that, I've got a complete written guide linked in the description that covers every edge case. Windows 10, Windows 11, laptops specifically, all of it. Check the description. If this helped, hit that thumbs up so YouTube shows this to other people dealing with the same problem. Subscribe if you want more tech fixes that actually work. Thanks for watching. Go fix your Wi-Fi.